Today I'm gonna unbox more snakes. So this snake is from the Florida Reptile Ranch. I ordered a ball python from them. There was an issue with the snake shipping. The original snake I ordered went to somebody else, but they did fix it all. Wasn't able to get the original snake, but they fixed, made a deal. Let's see. Super excited about this one. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Wow. This girl is nice. So this is a banana double het clown pied female that I ordered. It's really nice. She's really warm still. Wow, she's really nice. Wow, look at the colors in that girl. So I'll hopefully get pair this up with my clown het pied male down the road and produce some banana clown pieds. Wow, she's really nice. Hey girl. Really, really nice. See if we get some color. Let's see if we get to show that color on her. She's really nice. So yeah, so hopefully make some clown pieds down the road. Bananas are one of the nicest colored morphs, I think. Never could go wrong with a banana, especially a female. Normally male bananas only make male ball pythons, so male makers, but she's really nice. I'm gonna get her put away. Well, thank you guys for watching that short unboxing on this banana double het clown pied female. We got eggs.